Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about Unit 6, Lesson 3, Grammar. But first, let's see our revision. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Mr. Soms is unpleasant and often says space things. So, he is unpleasant and often says disagreeable things. Number 2. The police questioned the criminal's brother in order to space his story. So the right answer is cooperate. Number 3. A young girl space yesterday while she was swimming in the sea. So, can you answer? So, the right answer is drowned. Number 4. The space of the criminal will be held next Thursday. So, the right answer is trial. I-A-L, trial. Let's complete. Let's begin our grammar. Today we are going to talk about reported speech. We have many kinds of reported speech, but let's begin with the statements. We use reported speech to report what someone has said without using their exact words. Again, when we want to use reported speech in the statement, so it means that we want to report what someone has said without using their exact words. When we change the direct speech to the reported speech, we often make the verb form go 1/10 back. Pay attention, please. So, when we change direct to reported speech, we have to make many things. Number 1, the pronouns often change. I, we, you, they, myself, yourself. So, these pronouns can be changed. So, we have also time expressions. The time expressions often change. For example, today, tomorrow, yesterday, last month. So these things or these words can be changed into other things. For example, they live in German, said Clary. So if we wanted to change, we are going to say that Clary said. We will omit the two brackets and we will say we will join with that. Clary said that Tom lived in German or they lived in German. So the pronouns often change it, like this sentence number 1. I am tired, she said. So she said that she was tired. I here is changed into she because the speaker here is a girl. Number 2. We are upset, they said. So they said that they were upset. So as we said before, that the verb in the sentence go tense back. The verb here, or the verb form, go 1/10 back. The last one, you are late, he said. So he said that you here is changed into I. So he said that I was late because the tense of the verb is present. So it's changed into past. Let's see how can we change from the direct speech into the indirect or reported speech. If we have a sentence in the present continuous, as we said that present continuous consists of pronoun plus verb plus ing, verb to be plus verb ing. For example, she is sleeping, he said. So the present continuous is changed into past continuous. So he said, we will begin the sentence with he said, and we will omit or delete the two brackets, and we say that he said that she was sleeping. So is sleeping present continuous, so it's changed into past continuous was sleeping. If we have a sentence in the present simple, like this sentence, he fell over, he said. So it's changed into past simple. Again, if we have a present sentence in the past simple, he fell over. so it's changed into past perfect. We can keep it in the past simple, or we can change it into the past perfect. Like the sentence, he said that he had fallen over. If we have a sentence in the present perfect, for example, they have lost their money, he said. So the sentence is changed into past perfect. So the right answer is he said that they had lost their money. So have lost is changed into had lost. If we had modal verbs, for example, can it's changed into could. She can swim, he said. So the right answer is he said that she could swim. Can is changed into could. The same as well. Will be changed into what? They will be late, he said. So the right answer is he said that they would be late. So will is changed into what? We have some expressions or time expressions which is changed into another word. Number one, today is changed into that day, tonight, that night, next week, the next week. And yesterday is changed into the day before, last month or last year, it's changed into the month or the year before. That's all for the time expressions which are changed from the direct into indirect or reported speech. Now, let's practice. I have lost my handbag. The sentence in the present perfect. So it's going to be changed. Emily said to the police officer. So said to is changed into told. So Emily told the police officer. We are going to omit the comma or delete the comma and the two brackets, and we are going to join with that. So the right answer is she told the police officer that she had lost her handbag. So I is changed into she have lost present perfect, so it's changed into past perfect had lost, and the pronoun my bag handbag is changed into her handbag. Number two, I don't eat meat. Donna said to her friends. As we said that said to is changed into told, so Donna told her friends. We are going to join with that, and I here is changed into she, and the sentence here in the present simple, so it's changed into the past simple, so that she didn't eat meat. Again, Donna told her friends that she didn't eat meat. Number three, I'll be late for school tomorrow, Harry said to his teacher. So said to is changed into told. So the right answer is Harry told his teacher, and we are going to join with that. We are going to omit the comma and the two brackets. So Harry told his teacher that he could be late for school, and tomorrow is changed into the following day, as we said before. The time expression is changed. Let's complete number four. We are going on a holiday next year. Our aunt and uncle said to us. Said to is changed into told. So our aunt and uncle told us that we are going to join with that because it's a statement, as we said, that they weren't going on holiday the following day, as we said that next year is changed into the following year. Okay, let's complete. We didn't break the window, the children said to their neighbor. Use had. The sentence here is the past simple, so we said that the past simple is changed into the past perfect. So the right answer is the children told their neighbor that they hadn't broken the window. They hadn't broken the window. That's all for the reported speech, the statements. Next week, we are going to talk about question and order. That's all. Thank you for your listening, and goodbye.